Luna. Luna always has to say good morning to you guys. She is, I'm gonna call her the unofficial star of Vlogtober. Really the official star. So it is Sunday morning and I am heading to, my mom just texted me there. I wanted to see if they made it to Arizona last night. I'm heading to the store to get some groceries for the week. First coffee. And I have mapped out my meal prep and I have a clean kitchen. So I'm on point today. Could wallow in self-pity about my weigh-in yesterday, but can't do that. Weight loss is not linear. We all know that. We just have to keep pushing forward even on those weeks where we're mad or upset or feel like the universe is against us and all of that. We just have to keep pushing forward. That's all we can really do, right? Weight loss isn't going to happen if we just get mad.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when you trade?
Okay, here's my haul. There's Luna. Hi, Luna. Here's my grocery haul. And I realized I got regular chicken broth instead of reduced sodium. Darn it. Okay, so let's start on the left. I got some salsa. They didn't have tahini, so I just got some almond butter, ground turkey, chicken breasts, bananas, cilantro, limes, 1 lemon. I got some toasted coconut almond milk. I got sugar-free creamer this time. I'm gonna give it a try. Not sure if I'll like it. If not, then I have some in the fridge for backup. I got some unsweetened almond milk. I needed, I think it was 3 cups of tomato sauce. So I got these, a red pepper, orange bell pepper, and 2 green bell peppers, aroma tomato, 4 avocados, some lightly salted roasted almonds, chicken broth, unsweetened applesauce, Brussels sprouts. Normally they have tortilla strips, like salad toppers, but I couldn't find them. So I'm gonna try to make my own in the air fryer. We'll see how that goes. 2 sweet potatoes, quinoa. I needed more coffee filters, 2 cans of black beans, reduced sodium, chili powder, chipotles and adobo sauce, green chilies, and I needed to stock up on my vanilla protein powder. And then I couldn't find any of the Tone It Up shakes, so I got some protein bars. These are peanut butter chocolate. And I got some dog food, and then the water was 2 for $7, so I got 4 packs.
If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't want to go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't want to go back.
Okay, I'm taking a break and eating some lunch. I ordered some Jimmy John's. This is what I typically do when I'm meal prepping, because the last thing I want to do when I'm meal prepping is make a lunch. So I have some Jimmy John's. I put it into my calorie counter and we're gonna eat. am layered up and we're gonna go for a walk. I've got 2 pairs of pants on, a tank top, a long sleeve shirt, and a sweatshirt, and I'm thinking I will probably put a jacket on over this. So I'm ready to go. It's like 33 degrees out, but the wind chill is 26. It's not gonna get any better this week. We're supposed to get snow on Tuesday. Okay, I am laying on the couch in my robe. I just took a shower and I am just going to relax tonight. Not do anything. No editing, no computer work, no nothing. I actually haven't had to do any editing today because I finished editing the weigh-in last night. So it's been really nice. I'm gonna have to remember to do that next weekend. It's nice to be able to just focus on meal prep and not worry about YouTube on meal prep day. But yeah, I'm just going to relax. It's like 5:30. I'm gonna watch a few YouTube videos. I've got the fire going. All of my lights are on. And one more thing, I had one of those, what is it called? Pumpkin apple bliss balls for dinner. It was 280 calories, so it brought me to where I need to be for my calories for today. Pretty good day today. As you can see, even though I do eat things like Jimmy John's or eat out from time to time, I do make sure to fit it into my calories so I'm not always going over, unlike last week. I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'll see you guys tomorrow.